Hey Google, hey Google, or if you press on this icon, you can see your Gemini is available. How to enable it? Go to your Google, sorry, go to your again, go to Google, then press on this icon, go to setting, and under setting, you can see the Google Assistant and Gemini. So I want to enable Gemini, press on Gemini, and then you can see the Hey Google and voice. Press on this option. So first of all, you can see this kind of interface. Just enable your Hey Google, press on more, agree, just complete the process, full process. So once you complete, then now go back, and now if you say Hey Google, then you can see the Gemini is coming. Tell me a joke.
Why did the Gemini bring a ladder to the party?
Tell me a joke.
Why did the Scarecrow win an award? Because he was outstanding in his field.
So that's it. Don't forget to thumbs up and to subscribe. Have a good day.